Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial again. Now in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to actually claim a Metaverse farm token. Yes, as you can see from the screen, we have Metaverse farm is a farming simulation GameFi inside the Metaverse. This is a kind of token that's an in-game token, like the way the kind of game that like the kind of farming game we play on our phone, kind of farming game simulation we play on our phone. But this time around, it's played in Metaverse. So it's a farming simulation GameFi inside the Metaverse. Now, it says immerse yourself with fulfilled and rewarding experience inside the MetaFarm Metaverse platform. As you can see, we have the claim token there. Now, in this tutorial, we'll be learning how to claim this particular airdrop, this particular token as airdrop. Now, as you can see, you can go through the site to see you have the Metaverse Goes DeFi, you have the multiple OS support, as it's going to support both the Mac OS, the Windows PC, the the Android, the iOS, and all the rest when it's finally launched. Now, in-game currency, the MetaFarm token will be the sole in-game currency that will power up the MetaFarm GameFi platform economy. Like I said, it's a farming simulation GameFi inside the Metaverse. As you can see, the different things that they're offering. Now, in this tutorial, we'll be focusing our attention on claiming the airdrop. Yes, we'll be focusing our attention on claiming the airdrop. We have the token details of MetaFarm. As you can see, the name is MetaFarm, the symbol is MF, the decimal is 18, the network is smart chain, and the smart chain contract as well. You can take your time to go through the site, their official site. As you can see, it's a joint crowd sale and airdrop. Now, as of the time of recording this video, we have about 32 days and 9 hours to actually claim this airdrop or partake in their pre-sale. And now, as you can see, pancake swap trading will start on March 2, 2022. That is, by March 2nd, we'll be able to swap this particular token to any other token, any other currency of our own choice. We will be able to sell it off and make a huge profit from it. Now, this particular airdrop is going to be allowing us to claim 10 units of it. Yeah, as you can see, say claim 10 MetaFarm token. This one of the most interesting part about this particular airdrop is that it's in low circulation, which is very good for the token. Unlike other airdrop where you have millions of claims, billions of claims, thousands of claims, but this one is just offering us 10 token. But the juicy part of it is that it will be listing, one MetaFarm will be listing for 2.5 USD, and when you do the mathematics very well, you see that we'll be getting, at the end of the day, we'll be making over, let's say, $30. Yes, we'll be making about 30 USD for almost free. All right, for almost free. And for those of you that will be partaking in their pre-sale, the minimum buy is 0.01, which will give you 45 MetaFarm token, and the maximum buy is 10 BNB, which will give you 45,000 MetaFarm token. The minimum buy is 45 MetaFarm token, while the maximum buy is 45,000 MetaFarm token, which will cost you 10 BNB. Also, for those that will be going for the referral program, immediately after you've claimed the airdrop or partake in their pre-sale, you can as well copy your BEP20 address and paste it right here. As you can see, you can paste it right here to get. Once you paste it there, you click get link, and immediately your unique link will be generated for you, and you can copy it and share it with your loved ones on social media, so that you'll be able to get 50% BNB of whatever they buy, and 100, I think, and let's see, and 50% of MetaFarm. I think if somebody should claim a 10 MetaFarm through your referral link, you're going to get 5% back, and 50% back, and 50% BNB of whatever is spent, he or she spent in claiming this particular token. Without any further delay, we'll just copy the I'll copy the link address, which I will leave in the description of this video. But in case you are unable to get your hand on it, go to our Telegram group where you will see the contract address and every other things there that will be of help to you. And also, for those of you that are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that YouTube will be able to notify you whenever we post awesome video like this. Yes, and for those of us that are watching, please like and share this video to our loved ones. Now, without any further delay, we'll change network from Ethereum to Smart Chain by clicking here. You change it from this Ethereum, this Ethereum here to this Smart Chain. Yes, that's what you do by clicking there. Good. As you can see, the network has changed to Smart Chain. We should always do that to avoid paying a very huge gas fee. Yes. Now we are back to the official site again. As you can see, we've already gone through it, but let's just go through it one time. As you can see, yes, I think so. It said they have crowd sale information, have soft cap to be 100 BNB and hard cap to be 300 BNB. Now, the most important thing here is that there will be 85% liquidity lock via DEX for 5 years. That's beautiful. That's awesome. I just say this liquidity, there will be liquidity lock of 85% for 5 years. That is, immediate liquidity is added to this particular token. There's not going to be, in fact, there's not going to be fear for the next 5 years. You can trade, securely, peacefully, without any fear of maybe the liquidity is going to finish, the token is going to get dumped or one thing or like that. But here they are offering us 85% liquidity lock via DEX for 5 years. Yes. Now let us go down, and the next what should we do now? We will go straight into claiming this token. Yes, into claiming this token by clicking the claim button. For those of you that will be buying, after you impute the amount you want, then you click the buy button, and that will be it. Now, without any further delay, we'll claim the claim button. Yes, we'll allow it to load. Now, as you can see, we're in the smart contract core screen. Yes, the smart contract. As you can see, this. Okay, now we're in the contract screen. The next thing we are going to do is we'll just click the approve button. But before then, as you can see, we'll be paying a fee of $0.78, which is 78 cents, and a network fee of 18 cents. And the max total that we are going to be paying is 0.97 cents. That's okay, considering what we'll be getting. At least we'll be making about $10 from this particular token. So paying 97 cents shouldn't be something that's too hard for us. And who knows, maybe on listing the price might decide to go up. We all know what Bitcoin, cryptocurrency can do. Alright, so we'll just click the approve button. To take us back to the official site. Now, for us to see our token, we have to go and copy the contract address, which I will also leave in the description of this video and also in our Telegram group. So I'll just copy it, then close the browser by clicking this site. We'll close the browser, then we'll go back to our wallet and click this two dots. I will go back, this two dot like this. You click it, then after we click it, next thing we'll do, we'll scroll down until we see add custom token. As you can see, we'll click the add custom token, then we change network from Ethereum to Smart Chain. We click there, we change it to Smart Chain. Then the next thing we'll do, we'll click the paste to paste our contract address there. Just paste it. When we paste it, yes, as you can see, the name is Meta Farms, the symbol is MF, and the decimal is 18. So all we just have to do now is click the done button, and our token will be imported automatically. So just click the done button, and there we are. We have our 10 MetaFarm token. Our 10 MetaFarm token. So that is it for this video. See you next time.